I just pulled onto the highway in my little foreign car. It was raining and the road was really bad. I don't recall that big old diesel, but I heard him hit the air, and I've a feeling that I might have made him mad. He closed the gap between us, pushed his pedal on the floor, making 90 in that big old diesel truck. I can hear the names he's calling me above the engine's roar, and the words won't be found in Webster's book. And there's a diesel on my tail, making 90 miles an hour. My reflection in my mirror is mighty pale. I can hear St. Peter calling, I can almost smell the flowers. Can this compact take the impact? There's a diesel on my tail. Well, I'm huffing and I'm puffing as I try to make the grade, and I wish I had some pedals on this car. And then I'm slipping and I'm sliding and afraid to touch the brakes, for this doodlebug could never stand the jar. And there's a diesel on my tail, making 90 miles an hour. My reflection in my mirror is mighty pale. I can hear St. Peter calling, I can almost smell the flowers. Can this compact take the impact? There's a diesel on my tail. Yes, I'm slipping and I'm sliding, trying to hold it in the road, and I can tell you I just got to win this race. While I'm trembling and I'm shaking, he's blowing on the horn, so close that I could steal his license plate. And there's a diesel on my tail, making 90 miles an hour. My reflection in my mirror is mighty pale. I can hear St. Peter calling, I can almost smell the flowers. Can this compact take the impact? There's a diesel on my tail. Can this compact take the impact? There's a diesel on my tail.